Deep carry clip, right or left, tip up carry only, or tip up carry only. Yeah, that's right. Slightly off center. Nice orange spacers there. Oop, that's not a spacer. Nice orange spacers there. That'd be nice if that was orange. Nice orange thumb studs, dual thumb studs. Lanyard hole. There you go. The BENCHMADE mini bug out in orange. While jimping on the handle on the liner. Is it on the liner? Whatever bit of liner there is. Nothing on the blade. You can see that it's milled out gravery on the inside there. Well, I don't know if you can see it, but that's what it is.